Mom, the School Flooded by Kevin Rivard. What did you do at school today, Gus? Oh, nothing, Mom. Nothing? Well, why are your shoes and socks and pants all wet, Gus? We were doing science and all this water came in from the hall. It kept coming. Miss May said we should paddle out to the gym. The vice principal was calling his mom, I think, and then he was floating in with his phone and his fish. Gus. But there was a lake in the gym and... Oh, Gus. They opened the doors and the whole schoolyard was an ocean. Now, Gus, honestly. Didn't you see us on TV, Mom? The fire engines and police arrived. You had a fire too? Not exactly, Mom. So the fire chief asked, "What's going on at this school?" Miss May said, "You might say we just completed a science experiment." That's when the caretaker came out with a plunger. Glug, glug, swoosh, and the water disappeared. Oh, Gus, you do tell such stories. And what did you do at school today, Mike? Oh, nothing, Mom. Subscribe to my channel for a new story every day.